everyone, and welcome to this week's tech demo. Today I'll be showing you a website called Project Gutenberg, which you can use to access thousands of free ebooks in the public domain. Project Gutenberg is free and requires no account. Much of Project Gutenberg's ebooks are digitized by volunteers for the public to enjoy. If you scroll down on the front page, you can see the latest ebooks that have been added to the collection. If you scroll further, you can find some options for browsing their gallery. Under the Search and Browse button, you can search by author, title, subject, language, type, popularity, and more. Under Bookshelves, you can find books by category. Under Frequently Downloaded, you can view the top 100 most popular titles. You can also look at their offline catalog and take a look at free ebooks by contemporary authors. You can learn more about Project Gutenberg by taking a look at the Get Help section, where you can view their frequently asked questions and even get instructions on using e-reader devices, such as tablets and smartphones. If you would like to volunteer to help in maintaining and developing Project Gutenberg's collection, you have a few options under the How to Help section. You can help create new ebooks, report errors, and record audiobooks through LibriVox, which is another useful website like Project Gutenberg. LibriVox is a collection of free audiobooks that are also in the public domain. You can find additional info in the Special Areas section, where they discuss more subjects such as donating to Project Gutenberg, partners and affiliates, and permissions. At the very bottom of the page, you can read their terms of use and find them on various social media platforms. Let's take a look at some of the books Project Gutenberg has to offer. I want to look at some of their popular titles. Right away, there are a ton of great classics at our disposal. I can sort this list alphabetically or by their release date. If you're not looking for anything in particular, it can be fun to just browse through the list until you find something that catches your attention. I like horror, so I want to see if they have H.P. Lovecraft. I could order them alphabetically and go to the L section, but instead I'm going to go back to the Search section. Now under Quick Search, I'll type Lovecraft. Great, it looks like they have a few that I can read. I'll click the Dunwich Horror. Now I can choose how I want to read it. I can read it online in my browser by clicking the first one, which is in HTML format. You can also download it for offline consumption. This is especially useful if you want to go camping or somewhere else that you won't have data. You can download the book in EPUB format, which works well with most e-reader apps. Generally, you'll need to download an e-reader app to use this format, but there are plenty of free options out there that are super easy to use. This format is especially good for phones and tablets. You can also download it in plain text and read it on your computer or any of your devices. Here's what the HTML version looks like. We can also view similar books by clicking on Readers Also Downloaded or In Science Fiction. I encourage all of you book lovers, especially those who enjoy a good classic, to try out some of the different browsing options and see what great titles you can find. Are you a traditionalist who loves classics but prefers the hard copy? No problem. You can come in person to browse our classic section at our main branch off of Alessandro and Kitching. If we don't have what you're looking for, we can most likely get it ordered for you. You can call us today, come in person, or visit our online catalog to find out if we have the wonderful titles that you want to read next. Thanks for tuning in to today's tech demo. See you next week.